My name's Betsy, and I'm from East Massachusetts. And I met Dr. Pearl 14 months ago after having chronic pain in my SI joints. That's the joint between the pelvis and the spine for 5 years. And I really, it was not totally debilitating, but it would really get cranked up very often, and it would limit my activity, which I wasn't happy with at all for that long period of time. Immediately went to see Dr. Pearl. I was very impressed with her in interacting with me and her thoroughness. Within 6 months, I was really doing a lot. During the summer, I was paddleboarding and kayaking, and I hadn't done that comfortably in a long time. Then in November, I started taking, so this was at 10 months, I started taking a pool aerobics class in the shallow pool. So there was impact involved. And that was a no-no for the SI joint. It set me back a little bit, not to the original point, but I was starting to have discomfort. I went back to Dr. Pearl and we decided to do the PRP. We had done some PRP, what she calls fertilizer, and that did really seem to help. And within a month, I was back again, and I'm going to avoid that impact class, which is easy to do because I can do lots of other things that don't involve that kind of impact. So I don't feel like it's a compromise at all. And I'm very happy with my status 12 months after my original treatment. Dr. Pearl was an excellent person to work with. She listened to me very carefully. She was very thorough with all the procedures in her office. I felt like the office was very clean, and her staff were very helpful, explained everything that I needed to know, both the staff and she. So I was really happy, and I've referred several patients to her since.